Hi Gunpla fans, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we will talk about and unbox a special kit I bought from China. And this model kit was based on the anime series which was aired during February 1992 to 1993, and this is one of the best anime also in Japan, the Tekkaman blade. So let's talk about this Tekkaman here. We have this Tekkaman blade from Orange Cat Industries of China, and actually I bought not just the protagonist but also its partner, the Tekkaman Soul, or Soul Tekkaman. So there are two, Tekkaman blade and Tekkaman Soul. And in today's video we will talk about this Tekkaman blade. Okay, so what I like in this kit is the silhouette. When I first saw it in the market and saw it in one of the reviewers here on YouTube, I was fascinated by the design of this wonderful kit. To be honest, Tekkaman blade is not a mecha kit but a suit based on the anime, where I just read the plot or the synopsis of the story. And honestly, I did not watch any single episode of this anime series, but I just like the silhouette of the kit, which is a suit, not a mobile suit or not a mecha unit. So let's build this, and thank you for the shop where I bought this. I will just put the link description below, and let's see. So the box art here is very nice, and it's very fascinating, very presentable. You can see the anime silhouette of the Tekkaman blade, and it says here Tekkaman blade, and some Japanese scripts here, and it says here Orange Cat Industry, and I think this is from China because based on the manufactured location, it's made in China. On the side of the box we can see the Tekkaman wielding its weapon. It's a lance, something like that, and the front and rear view, and the full Tekker pose here, where he launches the one of his powerful weapon, the full Tekker. And this one, the straight build, how it will appear if we do it straight build. So in the other side of the box we can see some Japanese text here, and the anime clip or anime captured photo, and nothing much here. So if we open the box we can see the instruction manual. To be honest, the box here is very nice. It's very thick, and it will really protect the contents during the shipping. So this instruction manual is very nice, very neat, presentable, and it's color printed in the front, and we can see some instruction written here in Japanese, and I think in Chinese, or Japanese and English, and we can see the parts or the frame list here, which is in a chronological order, and the typical style of instruction. What I admire here in Orange Cat Industries manual is you can see the dotted red there, so we will know which peg to be inserted in the socket. So there's this red dots here, unlike in Banda and Kotobukiya where you just see the arrows. Okay, and we have here some clips of the anime in the back of the manual, and the front and rear view, and the full taker pose here. Okay, so let's go to the runners, and I was impressed again because same as the 100 Edge Arma, where when I bought it and assembled it, each runners are individually packed in a wrapper. So if this is 2, meaning they are the same runner, they are 2 runner C, or 2 sets of runner. For example, this one runner C, the other one is runner C, so it's a black runners here. We have here runner J for the hand parts, swappable hands, and the rod for the weapon. We have here runner H, 2 runner H. This is for the blade of the suit. We have this clear green parts here, runner K, for the full Tekker weapon, and the sensors, the eyes. We have here runner G for the red parts, and 2 runner I for the yellow parts. We have here runner E for the white parts, and it was combined with runner B for the black parts, black inner frame parts. We have here runner F, 2 runner F for the white weapon or white armor pieces, and the last pack here is the runner D for the white part pieces, and runner A for the black parts or the inner frame of the kit. And I'm very happy because this kit doesn't have stickers included, and means that the part separation or the color part separation of this kit is excellent. So let's build this out.